Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can hide your Facebook profile from public. So first step you simply need to do is to open your Facebook profile. Click on your profile picture on the top right. Go into the settings and privacy. Here you need to go into the settings. So once you are in settings, you simply need to click on privacy checkup. Here you need to click on how people can find you on Facebook. Click on continue. Here you simply need to select the friends of friends. Click on next. Here you can see that who can we suggest your profile to based on your phone number or email. So I do not want share to no one and email to no one. Here you can see you can change settings from here. Then you need to click on next. Here you can see, do you want search engine outside Facebook to link to your profile? So I do not want no, and click on next. And now you can see that all settings are done. So this is the process how you can hide your Facebook profile from public. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.